Oh no! It's okay, little one. We're here to help. We have to get him back up to the nest. Any ideas, guys? It's okay. Look how high the nest is. Don't worry, we'll get you back home. You can't fly. The nest. Too high. Too high. Almost. No. We'll help. This. Go, buddy, go! You almost got it! Hooray! Better idea. Stack 'em. We did it, buddy. Now you can climb up, little guy. Careful. That looks sturdy, buddy. Woo. Oh no, little guy. How did you get down here? Up there. Don't worry, we'll get you back home. We did it, buddy. Good dog. Okay, hop in. Up, up, up. You're almost home, little one. Yay! We did it! We did it, buddy! The whole family is together again.